Welcome back to the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Today I'm at Virgin Hotels in Las Vegas. Wanted to show off this beautiful spot because it's one of the nicest places I've stayed at in quite a long time. They're just about 1.2 miles east of the Las Vegas Strip. As you can see right here, they got tons of great amenities. They've been recently renovated, and I'll tell you more about that later on in the video. So, coming through the lobby area here. Turn the camera around and show you a bit more of that. I can't hardly wait to show you the pool area. The hotel room is amazing. This is really a great spot. Alright, so they've got 3 towers. The one you're looking at there is the Opal Tower. And then that sand colored one is the Canyon Tower. And then off to the right where I stayed is the Ruby Tower. It's a beautiful property. Alright, here's my room. I booked a room in the Ruby Tower, 700 square feet. The prices are actually really reasonable. Check this out. It's got a couple of TVs, beautiful view of the beach club and the resort pool. So off to the left here you'll see the beach club. It's called the Elia Beach Club. They're open on the weekends. And then over to the right is the resort pool. And the resort pool has separate sections. I will show you a better close-up of that once we get down there. A little bit more about this room here. The bathroom area is beautiful with dual sinks and a separate tub and shower. And less than $200 a night. You'd be really surprised. Jump online. I'm sure the rates fluctuate by season, but look at this. I only stayed 2 nights, but it was definitely a great time. Alright, and then as I kind of wrap up the tour of the room here, I'm going to take you down and show you a bit of the pool. It was kind of nice staying here. I'm a big fan of Richard Branson and what he's done, so it was cool to stay in one of his projects. And then this entrance area is really nice. It's all the details that really matter. Alright, let's go down to the pool area. This is the resort pool. This is kind of the main part of the resort pool. As you can see, they've got a little sandy area. This pool here was a little bit on the cooler side. But then I'll take you inside and show you the rest. Okay, so that's the standard area that I just showed you. And then a lot of people didn't even realize, but if you walk through this area and up the stairs, there's another area called the Upper Pool Resort. And they've got a small hot tub and another pool that's quite a bit warmer. It's a little bit more relaxing. I think it's actually no kids allowed in the upper area. I'm not 100% sure on that. But as I'll explain here in just a few minutes, this used to be the Hard Rock Hotel. And they just recently did a $200 million renovation and rebranded as the Virgin Hotels Las Vegas. So this is, there's a sign here, Upper Pool Resort, I think it says. And the beach club is this way as well. But they play great music, and this is the type of pool area that you could just relax at all day long. They do buckets of beers, buckets of seltzers. So this is the other pool area. This water here is a bit warmer. It's not as hot as a hot tub. It's the type of water temperature that you could just sit in almost all day. So this is where I spent most of my time. I really love it up here. Alright, so this is the event lawn. This is actually a music venue. This resort holds quite a few events. When you check in, they'll actually give you a calendar of events. You can see the Ruby Tower off there in the distance. Okay, so the Ruby Tower is a little bit higher end area. They have their own lobby. If you decide to book a room, or even if you don't book a room at the Ruby Tower, a lot of times they will allow you to upgrade. And if they offer you the upgrade, I would definitely recommend taking it. The rooms are amazing, as you could see. Alright, this is the fitness center. Huge. I just got done staying at the Palace Station, and the Palace Station was maybe a tenth of this size. So they had tons of equipment and free weights. This is a great spot. And then down here they actually have a spa and a juice bar as well. Alright, now let me show you some of the restaurants. Now, while I show you some of these restaurants, I wanted to give you a few more details about the hotel. Virgin Hotels Las Vegas operated as the Hard Rock Hotel from 1995 to 2020, before closing for renovations to be rebranded. The Hard Rock closed in February of 2020 to allow for a $200 million renovation. Virgin Hotels Las Vegas reopened in March of 2021. The opening had been delayed several times due to the COVID-19 pandemic. This 16.7 acre property includes 1,504 hotel rooms, 14 restaurants, 7 shops, 3 music venues, and a beach club. They currently have 3,178 Google reviews at an average rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. But I'm here to tell you that the Google reviewers have gotten this place wrong. Its grand opening occurred during the pandemic when everybody was being an angry hater. A more accurate rating of this place would be a 4.7 or a 4.8. Specifically, what I love about this property, the resort pool is large and relaxing and plays great music. The hotel is only about 1 mile from the Vegas Strip. They have lots of restaurants, free parking, a large fitness center, and they actually hold lots of events. 3 things you should know about this place. Number 1, it is right next to the airport, and there are airplanes flying overhead almost all day long. At first it's very cool, but it does get annoying after a while. The Elia Beach Club operates only on the weekends. The entrance for women is $45 and $70 for men. Also, if you're going to book a room here, be sure to book a room in the Ruby Tower. The rooms are 700 square feet and they are absolutely beautiful. But that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will see you next time.